So now we're looking at our emoji puzzles. So the first one, green. We have 2 aubergines, which equals 6. So the same number added together equals 6. So something plus something equals 6. So 3 plus 3 would equal 6. Because they're the same. So it has to be the same number. So we know this aubergine is 3. And we know this aubergine has to be 3 as well. So if we know this aubergine is 3 plus something equals 8. So 3 plus something equals 8. So if I was 3 to get up to 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I would need to add 5 to get to 8. So now I know that the broccoli is worth 5. And I have to figure out how much the chili is. So the chili plus the broccoli equals 9. So something plus 5 equals 9. So if I have 5 already to get to 9, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what plus 5 equals 9? 4. So therefore the chili is 4. So our last one would be 3 plus 4, which equals 7. And then our second one, here the hearts. Our first one tells us red heart plus red heart equals 24. So this is similar to the one we did here. It's the same thing, added together equals 24. So double what number would get us to 24? 12 plus 12 equals 24. So then we know this red heart is 12 and this red heart is 12. So now we have 12 plus the box with the heart in it equals 16. So 12 plus something equals 16. So 13, 14, 15, 16. So 12 plus 4 would equal 16. So now we know this box equals 4. So the yellow heart, take away the box with no heart, equals 1. So what number take away 4 equals 1? So that would be 5. So 5 take away 4 equals 1. And then the last one, they try to trick us. Because how many hearts do we have here? We have 2. So this heart's worth 5. And this heart is worth 5. So 5 and 5 equals 10. So then 10 plus 12 would equal 22. Then our third emoji puzzle, so we have the goal plus the goal equals 22. So it's the same number added together, gets me to 22. So double what number equals 22? Double 11. So 11 plus 11 would equal 22. So we know this goal equals 11 and this goal equals 11. Then we have the kite plus the goal equals 16. So something plus 11 equals 16. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 5 plus 11 would equal 16. So now we know the kite is worth 5. And we have to figure out how much the boomerang is worth. So 5 plus something equals 12. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 plus 7 equals 12. So we know one boomerang is worth 7. And then the other boomerang is worth 7 as well. So we have 2 boomerangs here. It's worth 14. So 14 take away 11 would equal 3. And then we have our fourth one. So we have the chick multiplied by the chick equals 81. So what number multiplied by itself equals 81? So 9 multiplied by 9 equals 81. So you know this chick is worth 9 and this chick is worth 9. So 9 plus the 2 peacocks equals 17. So if these is 2 So 9 plus something equals 17. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we know 9 plus 8 equals 17. But because we have 2 here, we have to half that 8. Because we know these are worth the same amount. So it means that this peacock is worth 4, and this peacock is worth 4. So if we have one peacock here, this is worth 4. So the penguin take away the peacock equals 3. So something take away 4 equals 3. So what take away 4 would equal 3? 7. So 7 take away 4 equals 3. And then our last one, so we have 2 penguins here now. So we have 7 plus 7. So that would equal 14. So now we'd have to do our sum, our 14 multiplied by 9. 9 multiplied by 4 is 36. 3 for our 1, or take over our 3. 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. Plus 3 equals 12. So our answer would be 126. And then our last two. So we have the boy plus the boy equals 20. So what number added, the same number added to itself equals 20? B, 10 plus 10. So we know now the boy is worth 10. But how many boys do we have here? We have 2. So this boy is worth 10, and this boy is worth 10. So altogether they're worth 20. So something multiplied by 20 equals 100. So what number multiplied by 20 equals 100? So see how many 20s are in 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So there'd be 5. So we now know that the man is worth 5. And then 5 plus something equals 17. Let's figure out what that is. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 5 plus 12 would equal 17. So we know now this boy in the orange is worth 12. So this boy in the orange is worth 12, and the other boy is worth 12 as well. So they're all together worth 24. And the boy in the green or turquoise is worth 10. So 24 take away 10 equals 14. And then our last one. So we have this emoji plus this emoji equals 16. So what number added to itself equals 16? Would it be double 8? So 8 plus 8 equals 16. So we now know that this emoji is worth 8. But we have 2 of them here. So this one's worth 8, and this one's worth 8. So that means altogether they're worth 16. And then we know this one down here is worth 8 as well. So 16 multiplied by something equals 112. So we have to figure out how many 16s are in 112. So we'll check to see, is it 16 multiplied by 5? So 6 multiplied by 5 is 0, or 30, sorry. And then 5 multiplied by 1 is 5, and add our 3 would be 8. So we have 80. Let's see if we add on one more 16, what would happen? 6 plus 0, 6. 1 plus 8, 9. So that hasn't got us to 112 yet. So add another 16. 6 plus 6 is 12. Now 1. 9 plus 2 is 11. So 16 multiplied by 5 gives 8. So we added another one. So that would be multiplied by 6. And if we add another one, multiplied by 7 to get 112. So this emoji is worth 7. So we know this emoji here is also worth 7 because we did it here. So something multiplied by 7 equals 21. So we have 7, 14, 21. So 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21. So we know this one's worth 3, and we've 2 of them here, so this one's worth 3 and this one's worth 3, so altogether it's worth 6. So 6 multiplied by 8, so 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. So 6 multiplied by 8 would equal 48.